Okay, let's take a look at number 9. A rectangle has an area of 105 yards. The length of the rectangle is 8 yards more than its width. Find the perimeter. So we know area is length times width. So area here, let's leave it at that for now. We also know that the length is 8 more than the width. So remember, more than means you switch the order. So instead of being 8 plus W, it's W plus 8. And the word is equal. Length I'm calling L. Okay? So now that I have two equations, I see L is W plus 8. So I can replace L with W plus 8. So the area is W plus 8 times W. And we also know that the area is 105 yards. So we can replace area with 105 yards, distribute W squared plus 8W, and I want this to be equal to 0, so I'll subtract 105. Remember, anytime that you're solving a system of equations, anytime you're solving a trinomial, you want to get it equal to 0 first. So we're left with W squared plus 8W minus 105. And now I want to break 105 down. Now, if you're not certain what is going to work, and right now I'm not, what I like to do is to do a factor tree and write out what the factors of 105 are, which are, not 10 and 5, that's silly, 5 and 21, because 5 times 20 is 100, so 5 times 21 has to be 105. 21 is 3 and 7. So it has to be some combination of 5, 3, and 7 when you multiply them together, and we want to get as close as possible to 8. So it has to be 15 and 7. So this breaks down to W plus 15, W minus 7, because we want to get 8 in the middle. And we solve each of these. So W equals negative 15 and W equals 7. Now we reject the negative 15 because you can't have a negative length. So if W is 7, if I want to find the length, I can take this 7 and substitute the 7 in here. So L is 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. And there's my value for L. So W is 7, L is 15, and it's asking for the perimeter. So that means perimeter is the sum of the sides, so 7 and 15. So we have 2 7s and we have 2 15s, because perimeter, right, means you have 2 lengths and 2 widths. Perimeter is the sum of the sides, so this is 14 plus 30. Which is 44. And there's my answer. Now, if you've worked through the homework, you know they're going to emphasize that it's 44 yards squared, but I anticipate your answer is to just, oh, wait, not 44 yards squared, it's just 44 yards, because we're talking about perimeter, and so yards squared would be if it's area. Okay, hopefully that makes sense, didn't confuse anybody, and I'll see you in the next video.